Okay, folks, if the crypto market is looking a little boring and flat to you today, then there's a very good reason for that, and that is because everyone is waiting on tomorrow, the 10th of December, because that is when the Federal Reserve Federal Open Markets Committee, or FOMC, meet to decide the next interest rate cut. Yes, this is the sort of stuff that we have to follow these days. So basically, it is almost nailed on that the Fed will cut rates by another 25 basis points tomorrow. That is the good news. The not so good news is that this is already priced in. So prices kind of are already accounting for this. So what's going to be really important is what Fed Chair Jerome Powell says after that meeting at his press conference. Now, that press conference starts at around 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. And if Powell is hawkish, if he's kind of in a bad mood at that press conference, then that could be bad for the markets because it suggests that he will be not wanting to cut rates further in the future, i.e. next year. Now, this is also an important meeting because it will include the SEP, or Summary of Economic Projections, which is basically where Powell and the rest of the Fed board members see interest rates heading in the next few months, i.e. into 2026. So, rate cut is priced in. What's really important is what the SEP says and what Powell says and his general demeanor in the press conference after the meeting. If Powell is hawkish, if they are looking to avoid more rate cuts next year, then you can expect markets to sell off, and crypto will be particularly hard hit because, well, it always is. But of course, if Powell is a bit more dovish, if it looks like we will get more rate cuts next year, then we could see a little pump. And that would be a nice early Christmas present for all of us, wouldn't it?